Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a citrus shrimp ceviche. It's a classic Mexican and Peruvian dish, although my version isn't so traditional. I've poached the shrimp and added my own spin on things. It's super delicious and so simple to put together. Let's go ahead and get started. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. While the water comes to temperature, prepare the citrus. To remove the segments from their membrane, slice the top and bottom off the citrus. Carefully remove the rest of the peel with a knife. Squeeze any juices from the peel into a medium bowl. Make small slices to release the fruit from the skin. After you've sectioned the oranges and grapefruit, slice each segment into bite-sized pieces and return to the bowl. When the water is just about boiling, prepare an ice bath for the shrimp. Add 16 ounces of peeled and deveined shrimp to the boiling water. Poach for 60 seconds and immediately transfer to the ice bath to stop the cooking. Next, drain the shrimp and remove the tails and slice into bite-sized pieces. Into the same bowl with the shrimp, add the juice of 4 limes and 2 teaspoons of salt. Toss to combine and store in the fridge while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. This next part is all chopping. Small dice, 2 Persian cucumbers, some mango, jicama, a jalapeno, and an avocado. Lastly, finely chop a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Combine the chopped ingredients, citrus, poached shrimp, cumin, and more salt. Toss to combine and don't forget to taste to adjust any seasoning. Transfer to a bowl and serve with fresh tortilla chips. And voila, citrus shrimp ceviche. This is such a beautiful dish. It's so colorful, and I am so excited to take a taste. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. It's such a fun texture, and it's so bright and flavorful, and the citrus is so nice and zesty. This is great to serve for summer parties. Honestly, it's great to have for dinner. I've linked the recipe below, but make sure that you like and subscribe for a new video every Sunday. I'll see you in the next one.